Beisan Systems, Vanos and Vehicle System Solutions manufacturer for BMW vehicles. Morning all, here at Beisan, got to start my packs. S54 Vanos packs here. Got a whole bunch of them. Let's go. I was cleaning the connector pins. Now we're going to lay them all out, get them ready for cutting open.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Oh, the packs are cut now. And next we're going to come to this station here. And we typically use several brushes. Some manual, here's the manual brush. Get all the debris off of it, clean it up, and then we drill out the plastic stud and insert one of those screws.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just me, your body, and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me.
The cleaning portion is done. We're ready for soldering. Please remember to like, subscribe, visit us on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Alignable. Search for Beisan Systems. Thank you.